Hello there. Imagine speaking English clearly and confidently in meetings, exams, or everyday life. That's what I can help you achieve. We'll focus on improving your speaking, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation through practical real-life communication. So whether you are preparing for IELTS, Cambridge exams, business meetings, presentations, or interviews, I will guide you step by step with clear strategies and structured practice. My name is Chilu and I am a certified English tutor from South Africa. So if you are ready to improve your English in a simple and supportive way, I would love to help you achieve. Book a trial lesson today with me, and I can't wait to help you start speaking English with confidence. See you in class.